Doreen Pina is one of my students. Recently, she went from selling books on Amazon with no way to reach her readers to building a simple interactive story app that grew her email list to over 300 engaged subscribers in just a few weeks. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps she took and how you can use the same method to validate your own children's book app idea before building a full version. My name is Bayo, a children's book author and software engineer. Over the past few videos, I've been showing you how to turn a static children's book into an interactive story app with the goal of reaching new audiences and unlocking new income streams. But sometimes it's easier to see how those ideas work when they come to life. So today, I want to share Doreen's story, a real-world example of what's possible when you put these strategies into action. Doreen Pina is an author, a retired teacher, and a proud second-generation Cape Verdean American. A few years ago, she published her book, Conversational Creole, driven by her passion to preserve her native language for her kids, grandkids, and the wider Cape Verdean community. The book took off, and soon readers began asking for more. That sparked an idea. What if she could bring her book to life as an interactive app? But before investing months of work, Doreen wanted to validate the idea first. That's where the strategy I've been teaching came in, a simple registration feature inside the Unity app that connects directly to MailerLite. In case you're new to both tools, Unity is a free but powerful software that lets you create interactive apps and games for multiple platforms, from iOS and Android to PCs, smart TVs, and even game consoles. MailerLite, on the other hand, is an email marketing tool that helps you build and manage a mailing list, and its free plan gives you plenty to start with. In one of my previous videos linked above, I walked through how to integrate MailerLite and Unity step by step. Now, back to Doreen. Our goal was to use Unity to create a simple interactive app by repurposing the illustrations, text, and audio from one chapter of our 14-chapter book. Then we integrated MailerLite to capture a user's name and email using the no-code drag and drop tool that I created. We didn't need to hire artists or designers. We simply reused our existing book assets, the same illustrations and text, meaning no extra investment beyond her time. The result was a simple functional app that allowed her to test the idea quickly. Once it was ready, we published it to Google Play and Apple's App Store and waited. Within the first month, the app had almost 300 downloads and signups. That may sound small, but those were real readers, people curious enough to share their email address, something she could never get from her Amazon paperback since Amazon doesn't share customer data. For the first time, Doreen had a direct line to her audience, and that changes everything. And from there, she built on that momentum. Using MailerLite's automation tools, she created an 8-week email sequence timed perfectly with her plan to complete and launch the full version of her app. In addition to an automated welcome email sent to subscribers once they register on the app, her subscribers also received weekly short updates, snippets from her book, behind-the-scene notes, and updates of the app in progress. In a nutshell, one setup, ongoing engagement, and a growing community waiting for her app launch. Today, the full version of our interactive app is about 90% complete, and she's preparing to launch to a warm audience of almost 500 registered readers who already love her work. She's not just releasing an app, she's launching to fans she's nurtured for months. That's the power of combining storytelling, smart tools, and strategy. If you'd like to start your own journey, I've created a free guide, a step-by-step blueprint that shows you how to turn your storybook into an interactive app, reach more readers, and grow your author brand. Stay tuned. I'll be sharing more updates from Doreen's journey as she completes the transformation from paperback to a powerful interactive app experience. Her story is a reminder that with the right tools and a bit of strategy, any author can breathe new life into their book and reach readers in exciting new ways. To follow her progress and learn how to do the same with your story, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and download the free guide linked above. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Thank you.